Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone watching this video, especially to Dr. Arinda. My name is Muhammad Amirul Hafiz bin Rosli. Our group today will be presenting about formation of sedimentary and metamorphic rocks in Batu Caves formation. The slide was prepared by me, Adam Daniel, Shahrul Fahrin and Harith Raziki. Formation of Batu Caves and its metamorphism. Firstly, around 400 million years ago, in the Paleozoic era, Batu Caves were submerged completely in an ancient ocean. That is why limestone could be found there. Limestone forms from calcium carbonate, which is a common mineral that contributes to cementation. So, firstly, the sediments were settled there, was deposited, was compacted, cemented, and undergoes chemical processes called diagenesis to become a rock, called limestone. Then, calcium carbonate is often derived from the remains of marine organisms such as corals and shells. This further proves that during 400 million years ago, Batu Caves were completely submerged in an ancient ocean. The geological processes that were subjected to these sedimentary rocks initiated metamorphism. The original limestone underwent changes to mineral composition and texture, transforming it into the metamorphic limestone, which is crystalline marble that can be observed now in Batu Caves. Subsequent erosion by natural elements such as water and wind exposed the limestone and marble formation and gave rise to the distinctive landscape seen at Batu Caves today. The karst landscape that can be observed in Batu Caves now were the result of dissolution of soluble limestone over an extended period of time. So, limestone is susceptible to chemical weathering, particularly by slightly acidic rainwater. In the case of Batu Caves, the Carboniferous aged limestone underwent lithic karstification process, giving rise to the unique topography seen today. Rainwater, which is enriched with carbon dioxide from atmosphere, forms a weak carbonic acid. As this slightly acidic water interacts with the limestone, it dissolves and carries away soluble minerals, gradually enlarging fractures and creating cavities within the rock. Over time, these processes lead to the development of complex cave systems, underground rivers, and distinctive karst features such as stalactites and stalagmites. Batu Caves' karst landscape showcases various stages of karstifications, including caverns, sinkholes, and the iconic limestone hills. So, solutions and recommendations. Firstly, rockfall barriers can be installed in areas where overhanging blocks are more prone to fall. These barriers are designed to absorb and redirect falling rocks, thus preventing them from damaging human areas. Other than that, rock bolt and rock anchor method can also be done to provide stabilization to the slope, avoiding further rockfalls. Lastly, rock scaling can also be done to remove loose and unstable rocks from the cliffs and slope. These actions can be done in Batu Caves area to prevent unwanted accidents due to the fact that the area is also a tourist spot. This also brings up the conservation issues that Batu Caves is facing right now. Illegal quarrying and inappropriate urbanization also happens in the area. Thus, legal protection of the land and an effective management framework would further preserve the pristine area from illegal quarrying and inadequate urbanization. This can be done by the government to preserve Batu Caves formation for the next generation and can educate them to appreciate the geo-heritage that Malaysia has. In conclusion, the caves are primarily situated within the limestone hills, which are composed of calcium carbonate. These layers were first laid out during the Paleozoic era and consist of Silurian limestone. Then the limestone undergoes physical and chemical changes to its structure to become a metamorphic rock called crystalline marble. Then, around 100 million years ago, the dissolution of limestone in the development of a distinctive karst landscape in the area has given rise to a topography with unique formations. These chemical weathering processes of limestone has shaped the caves and the caverns there. Thus, major issues such as rockfalls, stability of limestone cave walls, and conservation issues must be taken into action by authorities carefully by enhanced legal safeguards and an adequate administrative structure, and also campaigning on education of geoheritage to the next generation. That's all from us. Thank you.